everyone's favorite time of year, tax time. So if you are getting a refund this year as you're going through and filing your taxes, a couple things to consider. One, if you are getting a refund, you essentially have given the government a free loan for the last 12 months. And what I mean by that is they're just giving you back your money. So if you're getting a refund, it feels good, certainly from a psychological perspective and emotional perspective. Everyone likes getting money, especially when it's unexpected money. But it's essentially just a return of your money, meaning you gave the government too much and they're just giving it back to you. So if you're getting a large refund, adjust your withholdings so that you're not in the same situation again next year. You don't want to continue to get large refunds. So that's number one. If you are getting a large refund, what do you do with it? If you have any credit card debt, high interest debt, student loan debt, personal loans, etc., I would start there. Especially credit card debt in 20 to 30% range. There's almost no better use for excess funds. Second, emergency fund. If you don't have a fully stocked emergency fund, I would go there. So fully stocked, what that means, different for everybody. 3 to 6 months generally, I'd say on the 3 side, if you have multiple streams of income, maybe you have multiple jobs, maybe you have a working spouse, maybe you have income producing rental properties, things of that nature, maybe on the 3-month side, but 3 to 6 months emergency fund. So again, step one, if you're getting a large refund, adjust your holdings so that next year you're not in the same situation. Step two, any high interest debt. Step three, emergency fund. Step four, if you've covered all those bases, invest. Get that money working for you, right? So too often you get this money, it's sort of a surprise, and you decide you're gonna go on a vacation or buy something you've been waiting to purchase. Get that money invested. Invest in yourself, right? Invest in your future. So those are the best uses. Again, if you're getting a large refund, adjust your withholdings so that you're not in the same situation next year. I know it feels good. It feels good to get what we think is free money, but you've essentially just given that money for free as a loan to the government for the last year, and they're just giving your money back to you. So essentially you lost on the deal, right? It feels good, but mathematically it just doesn't work. So adjust your holdings so that you're not in the same situation next year. Next, with that large refund, hit your high interest debt, credit cards, personal loans, things of that nature, potentially even home equity lines of credit. After that, emergency fund. You want to make sure you have a fully stocked emergency fund anywhere between 3 to 6 months, and then invest. Invest in your future and figure out the most tax efficient, cost efficient way to get that money working for you. Hope that was helpful. Talk to you soon.
The information in this video is provided for your convenience only and is not intended to be treated as financial, investment, tax, or other advice. The information is intended to be educational and is not tailored to the investment needs of any specific individual. It is also not intended to be relied upon as a forecast and is not an offer or solicitation to buy or sell any securities or to adopt any investment strategy. The opinions expressed are those of the author. Reliance upon the guidance and information in this presentation is at the sole discretion of the individual.